Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. Ano bang meron sa Sunday? It's Friday. Guys, so hindi po na just click the below, left, like, and just click the notification bell para update sa kanila. See you guys, samahan nyo kami na Teya, ayun, Teya, Tantan. Hello guys, ano naman kami pang sa isang bagoy weekend love day. How are you, Tantan? You eat for us? Oh? Yeah, Tantan. What are you doing, Tantan? There, there, there. Yeah. Online video kasi malayo pa. There yung sa likod at ano? There yung. Guys, dito yung mga bulilit sa yan. Yung batok na yan. Best friend mo yan. Hi, time. Hello. Hey. Come, boy. Come down. Go. Teya, come. Guys, Teya, barkada niya nga sa tindahan na yan. Teya, what you doing there? Puro barkada niya, Tantan niya. Best friend nila sa butik. Yes, you can visit their butik. Their best friend, yes. Sa'yo, Eid Mubarak. You can visit their boutique from Algamdi for sale mobile accessory. Kaya mga barkada nila Tantan dito. No. What you need? No, go outside. Go outside. No? Right? Itong dalawa, yan ang makulit. Yan, dalawa na yan. Kasi puro kaibigan nila yung... Oh, there's a dick there, oh. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi. Oh. There's a dick. Yung tambayan nila dito. Guys, yung ayan ang mga kaibigan nila. You can visit their boutique from Algandi Porcelmo Accessory. Yes, there's a dick there. The Vlogger P YouTube channel natin. They have a YouTube channel. Yeah, you can visit. No, they have a these two baby. They have a vlogger. You can visit in the YouTube channel Thea and Tan. Yeah, you can visit. You can see their vlogging. They have 6,000 views. Thea and Tan. Thea and Tan. You can visit their YouTube channel Thea and Tan. English? Yes, English. Like this.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle like a beam. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreams. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands or pray. Your own hands can land your own. I'll be cruising in my lane fast. I feel like no one takes accountability. Hard, you have the credibility nightly. If you think you'll win, hot enough nightly. Take a shower, cold-blooded sour. Take a cold shower, is what I call sight louder. Look until you run it up when they holler doubters. They're just rose, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right down. I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain. Turning losses into gains, I'm rising, making change. I've been rising this exchange, work for it. Popping off and risking things, gonna make work for name. I just wanna be famous. I won't stop till they hear me now, but I don't want that shit. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I just wanna be greatness. To the top, yeah, I commit. You know I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Invest